To Liberia, where people are heading to the polls to elect the country's next president. There are over 2 million registered voters. Liberians will choose from a crowded field of 20 candidates. The official results are expected to come out within 48 hours. If no candidate wins 50% of the vote, a runoff will be held on November 7th. Africa's first female elected head of state, Johnson Sirleaf, will step aside after a maximum 2 terms. This election is the country's first democratic and peaceful transition of power in more than 70 years.